So how does the starter work on a top fuel dragster? Let me show you. Okay, this is the newest technology from RCD. It's made in USA, 24 volt starter with an adjustment wheel on the back. There's a 3-pronged like engagement tooth on the front of the blower. And when you mount the starter to the bracket, you keep an eye on your engagement teeth and you run the wheel in the back till it's engaged. So when you hit the button, and the button is just on, off, on, off, on, off, doesn't stay on, it's momentary. You don't get the bang because this motor just doesn't want to just turn over willy-nilly. It takes a little bit of juice. So you want to make sure you have your engagement teeth installed. That runs down to the power comes through this quick disconnect into the RCD box, which is a couple high output. They're basically like motorcycle sized batteries. Give this thing its juice. And when you hit the button, turns the motor over. And of course, if the motor was live, we would have pre-lubed the blower with some WD-40, shot some gasoline down the hole, woo, woo. And when it was cranking, you yank the ground wire off the mag, send spark to the cylinders, and it fires right up. And it's pretty fantastic. We'll show you that. There we go.
Okay.
Nice, and spin to engage. Perfect.
All right. So now here's our ground wire. We want to make sure that this is, before we spin the motor, you never want to start spinning one of these motors unless the ground wire is attached. So we've got it grounded to our valve cover here and the post off of the magneto. Okay, Dr. Art, you ready?
Ready?
And then you're going to come around the back and you're
get
going
on
to
the
get right
timing
in
line.
this spot. Okay.
Ready?
Yep.